Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this video, we are going to look at the minimum marks required in order to get DNB seats through All India Quota Counseling and through MCC Counseling and branch wise how much score you need. This video is created intended to let you aware how much score you should target depending on the dream branch you are looking at in your bucket after during the counseling process. Okay, I have already created a video uh, for expected marks required to get government seats through All India Counseling. Okay, and in case you are new to the channel, you can subscribe the channel because this channel is really a very useful channel for you for all NEET PG activities, starting from the application form filling and for the counseling process and everything. And you can browse through the videos available for the past years and this year. This is the number 9319128677. There is one more contact number given in the description of the video, and you can call over those two numbers and you can send us WhatsApp messages also. You can also avail our paid counseling guidance, and you can avail it from now itself. Now we can give you some discount also, and we can also support you in the application process, filling up form, and how you should target and how you can improve the score. We can also connect you with the doctors who already got good score and join the colleges. They can guide you through your preparation, and in the counseling we can guide you through the counseling process to get the best possible in your criteria. So if you look at if you want to get a radio diagnosis branch in general category, your target should be minimum 530 to 535. For OBC also same, and for EWS it will be more because less number of seats are there. In SC category you need around 455 to 460. In ST category around 400 to 405. In case you are looking to get a dermatology subject, the dermatology subject in DNB hospitals are available in very few hospitals. So the cutoff will be a little more fluctuating. You need around 525 to 530 score. Okay, and in OBC category around 545. In EWS around 515. In case you want to get a general medicine subject, then you need to have a score around 595 to 490. Okay, actually it's 490 to 495. Okay, and in EWS also you need around 480 to 485 a score. In SC category you need around 410 to 415. In ST category around 340. In case you are looking to get DNB pediatrics, because if you go for like DNB subject, then you also need to look at how good is the hospital, because this minimum score is required in order to get any DNB hospital. But if you're looking to get good DNB hospitals, then you need to score better than this. DNB pediatrics is gettable in the score of around 480 to 485, and DNB OBGY around 475 to 480. DNB orthopedics you need to target around 440 to 450 445. DNB TV and chest around 485. DNB general surgery you need to have minimum score of target around 455. DNB psychiatric medicine around 450. DNB ophthalmology around 435. DNB ENT around 425 to 430. And you can look at the number for rest of the subject depending on the category you come under. Some important point before targeting the score. See, the score depends on the toughness level of the paper and the complexity level and how difficult are the questions. But considering the paper level is moderate, this should be the score. This score will definitely help you in achieving the score in GTs. Okay, in GT you should add like 15 marks more on top of this score, and if you are getting that much and in all the GTs you are giving the consistent performance, then your preparation is up to mark in order to get particular branch. In case you haven't getting good score in one GT and deep fluctuation or like steep fluctuation in next GT, and then in third GT you are improving the score. It going like zigzag format, the graph is in zigzag format, then you are not sure like how on the day of examination you will perform. So your GT graph need to be consistently progressing. There should not be much of fluctuation. Okay, and towards last few GTs, it might go in a constant phase where you are not able to improve, but you have to keep, you have to maintain the same score level. Otherwise, it might degrade also. So revision is very important. You keep on revising the concepts, the subjects after like every 20-25 days. Okay, otherwise you will miss out. Don't just read once and then throw it. You have to keep revising, and as you reach near towards the examination, you have to make your thought process clear, and don't try to pick new subjects. It will distract you. Okay, so there are many suggestions like that, and this score will definitely help you, and you can target accordingly. In case you have a question, then you can call us on this number 9319128677. So that's it from my side. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.